Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're saying this is really little. This whole thing is only 2¼ inches. So these lines are so little. He did tell me he's gonna cut out a laser. But if we measure this at kind of an angle, the deal is 0.02. That's really, really little. So I've done this, but I've done it to the almost to the extent that you could get it done without the S's starting to touch. But if we take that, I've doubled it, I think. So if you take your, we're at 0.04 now. So we're double, so maybe it'll work. So all I did was, this is a group of items. So I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to just contour the outside. Probably don't have to use rounded corners, but just 0.0. Well, you know what? Let's do 0.02. And I'm going to show you that would be better, but now your S's are starting to touch. So we have to stay at 0.01. Now you could maybe try 0.015 and see your S's are going to, so you could try 1.4, but let's just go with 0.01. Now it did the outside. Take it and go to arrange and break the contour apart and then try to grab the inside and move it downwardly. Now, if you notice, we did not contour the inside, but we don't want to. And for the one I'm doing it for, I changed your drawing pen to a hairline because you're going to cut this out. So then all you have to do is probably as easy as just take the Smart Fill tool and nudge all these center parts up. I'm going to do them all at one time because the fact that we can now nudge this up, grab all these, left click no fill, right click outline, and then nudge it up, and you have you're twice as thick now, so it might work, but this is, if there's any way you could make it a little bit bigger, that's only a 3/4 inch of a tall from there to there. So we're talking minute, but we did make it doubly thick. We're at 0.04, so maybe that'll help. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.